Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this purple nail look with gold striping tape because, well, it's pretty. Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bare natural nails and I'm going to add a base coat. Can't remember what base coat it was, so just use any one. And I'm going to start painting my nails. So I'm making sure to wrap the edge of the nail. And I'm going to do 2 base coats because I want to. But like I always say, you don't have to. 1 base coat will do. This is just a habit for me. So once your base coat is down, you're going to add your violet nail color. I'm starting with my baby fingernail, again making sure I'm wrapping the edge of the nail. Then my ring fingernail. I'm going to miss out my middle fingernail when I finally get to it and go to my index fingernail, then my thumbnail. Then I'm going to use this beigey nudie cream color and paint 1 coat over my middle fingernail. And then I'm just going to repeat. So I'm painting the violet color over the appropriate nails and then the nude color. The second coat just helps the nail polish look a bit more opaque and I prefer the way it looks. Random thought, I was just watching my video back as I was editing and I feel like I'm holding my brush weird. Do you feel like I'm holding it weird? Anyway. Then you're going to use some sellotape and stick it on the right side of your nail at a diagonal angle. Then you're going to use the violet color and paint in between where the sellotape is and your nail starts on the right side of your middle fingernail. Then go ahead and peel off the sellotape. And then you're going to do the exact same thing that you did on the right side, on the left side of your middle fingernail. Again, placing the sellotape at a diagonal angle and adding your violet nail polish. And once you're happy with the amount of nail polish you have on that side, you're going to take your time and peel the sellotape off just like this. So next you're going to add your gold striping tape and place the tape on the diagonal line or color that you created on the edge of the line. You're going to do that on the left side of your nail and the right side. And then just make sure the striping tape is nice and secure on the nail. And then you're going to cut off the excess. Once you've done that, you're going to use some more gold striping tape and place it diagonally across your nail. So the idea is to create an X shape in the middle of your fingernail. And then again, you're going to cut off the excess and then you are on to your last step, which is to add a nice top coat. I don't know why I started with the middle nail, but yeah, you're going to add your top coat to all of your fingernails, making sure that you wrap the edge if you want the look to last as long as possible. Then you are done. And there you go, you are left with this violet and gold nail look. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment and subscribe and share, because why not? And you can follow me on my Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my finished nail looks. Bye!